Oh well, hello. Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. It's the first week of August, and it's never too late to work on your beach body. You might be considering something very low in calories, easy to make, a dinner or lunch. And one of your most possible choices here might be zucchini, because zucchini is surprisingly healthy and packed with nutrition. If zucchini has a biography, it's probably something along the lines of zucchini, a summer squash. It's a member of the gourd family. It originated from Central America, from where it has spread to the rest of the world. Well, a little nerdy fun fact of zucchini: botanically, zucchini is a fruit, but it's most often used like a vegetable. If you're on a journey that requires low-calorie diet, why choose zucchini? Because zucchini contains zero fat and is high in water and fiber. And on those days that you just crave a bowl of noodle or a plate of pasta, you might want to consider zucchini noodles. It still has the texture of a noodle, but way low calories. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you guys to cook a dish that is probably below the calorie of 400, and it contains zucchini noodles and some chicken breast. And this was actually the first time I used my Spiralizer, so I'm gonna give you a little tour of the functionality of that tool and my evaluation of that. Whether it's some gadget that actually worth buying, or it's something that you bought from Amazon and you just keep it in your pantry for years without even noticing you had those. Let's get started. Well, first thing first, have you subscribed to my channel yet? No, I'm kidding. Let's get started with the recipe. No, I'm actually not kidding. So make sure you subscribe to my channel if you wanted to know more about those recipes. Alright, this is our Spiralizer, and let's turn it the other way so you can see there's actually 3 choices of your blades, and the one that we're using today can give you a little thinner slice of your zucchini noodle, and you also have some like wider slices when you probably cut cucumbers. And you can see the main handle that you can control and stabilize your zucchini. That thing you can move around to adjust to different size of the zucchini. And of course the blades, to replace that or change to another size, easily you just pull it up, and that's how you change your blades. Well, first things first, safety is definitely the most important thing when you're handling any of those gadgets that contains a blade. So you wanted to turn it on once you put it on a stable surface, and once you turn it to on, it actually suck all the air between the machine and your surface, so it creates this thing that ground your machine so it wouldn't slide off when you're trying to give some pressure to your vegetables. Alright, once you chose a very flat surface, you turn it on to kind of stabilize your machine, and then here you can put your vegetables between the hand crank and your blades. Make sure you push them really hard so the vegetables could be staying between the blades and the hand crank. And as your vegetables has been spiralized, you might find the zucchini becomes shorter and shorter, and at the same time you kind of push your hand crank in to keep it tight. And do you know one medium zucchini only has 33 calories? That's insane. Okay, since it's pretty fun, let's see it again. Depends on how you choose to cook your zucchini noodle. Some people you can eat it raw because it's technically a fruit, or if you wanted to saute it or cook as the traditional noodles, whichever way you choose. This way I chose sauteed way. First you spray some pan and wait till your pan is hot, then you can throw some minced garlic. And since I have some leftover cooked chicken breast, so now I'm just adding a little juices from the leftover dish. If you choose to cook the chicken breast or any type of protein on the day off, you can definitely skip this part and just use salt to season of your squash. I seasoned my zucchini later on with salt and pepper. And I realized later, after I cooked this dish, I shouldn't left the zucchini in the pan for too long because it became a little soggy in the end. And just like how we would cook our pasta, you wanted to add a little marinara sauce, or in Italian is marinara sauce. And this is when you would add your leftover chicken or some fresh grilled chicken that you cooked on the day off. And just like painting on the canvas, you kind of just create your own painting on the plate. And here comes your money shot, your thumbnail. Alrighty folks, thank you so much for watching today's video. And if you really wanted to count the calorie of this, your chicken breast is about 1 cup, it's around 350, and 2 medium zucchini is about 60, so yeah, a little bit over 400. And your likes on this video, your comment below, and the subscription to my channel is definitely my motivation to provide more recipes and share with you guys. So thank you for watching, and click those buttons right now. Thank you so much. We'll see you next week.